storm Wednesday evening for east central Ohio and western Pennsylvania and northern West Virginia. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Carroll, Columbiana, and Tuscarawas.
The Weather Service agrees there's the tornado warning. There's the storm. That was pretty good. It's just rain. Awesome. Here's this rain now. It's a white. Make sure we have some sun. The worst of the severe weather is behind you. As far as cleanup, that's what goes on now. Here's the
An urgent weather message for the following counties in Ohio, Carroll, and Tuscarawas. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning for northern Carroll County and east central Ohio, northeastern Tuscarawas County and east central Ohio until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was near Mineral City and was moving east at 35 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Mineral City, Delroy, Malvern, Carrollton, Augusta. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flood warning for the Eagle Creek at Fowling Station from this afternoon until late Thursday night at 4 p.m. Wednesday. The stage was 8.7 feet. Moderate flooding. Its forecast flood stage is 9.5 feet. Forecast to rise above flood stage by late this afternoon and rise to near 14.2 feet by late tonight. The river will fall below flood stage by Thursday evening. At 14.0 feet, several homes become threatened with evacuations possible in the town of Braceville. Eagle Creek, McConnell East, and Braceville-Robinson roads will be impassable.